Question 9. Describe, giving examples, 2 strategies that might help reduce urban traffic congestion. 4 marks. Okay, so this question is asking us to describe, so we need to say what they are and how they work. Giving examples, so we need to use precise examples of the city that you have studied. And we need to talk about 2 strategies that might help to reduce urban traffic congestion. So urban traffic congestion, we might normally see it as queuing on roads. So this is when transport occurs at a slower speed and it often leads to longer trip times and it's not very efficient. There's many different examples you might look at. They could be, for example, car sharing, pedestrian only areas, street closures, integrated public transport systems, park and ride schemes, bus lanes, the encouragement of cycling, or dedicated pedestrian walkways. And any of these you just need to link to the city that you have studied. So for example, in London, we have the encouragement of cycling. And the example we can use are Santander bikes. These are where many people can just access a bike for quite cheap, and then you can use this to travel around, and this can reduce urban traffic congestion as there's less people driving cars and more people are using bikes, and this will reduce the number of vehicles on the road. Another strategy that London uses is an integrated public transport system. So in London, there's TfL, which is the Transport for London, and there's lots of tubes and buses and trains where you can all get on using one payment method. That might be an Oyster card, and that means that lots of people can easily use a transport system that all links up and you don't need lots of different tickets. And this can reduce urban traffic congestion as it reduces the amount of people using vehicles on the road. So to get 4 marks here, we have given 2 strategies with examples and described what they are. So we've got the encouragement of cycling as a strategy and an integrated public transport system as another strategy. And we've given examples, for example, the Santander bikes and TfL London, which is the connection of tubes, trains and buses. And these both reduce urban traffic congestion as they reduce the amount of vehicles on the road, and that's our 4 marks.